doing this is actually going to kill us because I'm going to have to take everything off the hangers and sort through it. That is what I need to fit in the wardrobe. Will you be my little quarantine? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing something that I haven't done in a long time. So I have a new wardrobe coming within the next couple of days, so I need to do like a huge clear out of my clothes, makeup, shoes, and basically everything. There's bits of furniture in this room that I need to get rid of. There's obviously lots of clothes that I probably need to get rid of, so I thought this is just the perfect time to do a massive clear out. To be honest, I probably should have done it sooner than this because we're about 6 weeks into lockdown now, but I don't want to waste any more time just sitting around not really doing much. I've spent the past couple of weeks just sort of taking some time out, working on myself and relaxing a bit, and to be fair, it has been good for us, but I need to start actually doing some stuff. So I love watching people do like home clear out videos and organising because it's just so therapeutic and calming, so I really hope I inspire you. Hope you enjoy. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Also, don't forget to follow me on Firework and TikTok. Yes, I'm on that now. And I hope everyone's staying well. So without further ado, let's get started. So first I'm going to sort out my bed because it's an absolute turf bed. Look at all of this. So with this being the spare room as well, no one sleeps in here, especially because we're in lockdown right now. So I've only got one set of bedding, but I thought I would buy a new one just because I've got like makeup, tan, and basically just stuff all over the bed. So I'm going to put this bed in the wash with the sheet and the pillows. Even though I love it, like it needs a good wash. So I got this new set from Amazon. It's a king size, but the one in our bedroom is a king size. So I thought, well, if I get this, then I can use it for both if I need to. I absolutely love it. It's crushed velvet, and I believe it was called beige. But yeah, it looks so luxury, and it was really cheap as well. It was about £15 to £20 for a king size, so that's absolutely amazing. I never see bedding that cheap that looks this nice. So I'm going to put that on and sort through all of my makeup brushes because they're literally everywhere. Like if you're like me, you'll do your makeup and just chuck your brushes and lashes, just rubbish, empty packets of lashes, just chuck them everywhere, and they get so disorganized so quickly. Even when you sit down and sort it all out within a week, it's completely everywhere. I've also got these prints which I've had for a while. I got them pretty much as soon as we moved into this house, with the idea of just putting them up on the wall behind my desk, which is over there, and using it like a dressing table. But because I do things backwards, I only half painted this room when we first moved in, so as you can see, this wall is white and this one over here, but the other ones around the room are still magnolia, and like it's not even a nice line between the two, it's just splashed half onto the other wall. I just wanted to get furniture in that quickly because I was that excited, and then I just completely abandoned the painting and chucked everything in here. So my plan is, in a few days when the new paint comes, just normal plain white, I'm going to touch up these walls and obviously do the rest and completely revamp this room and swap around the bed and the desk, have a proper dressing table, put these up finally because I absolutely love them. These were just off eBay, so this one is Primping and Easy. I've got this one that on the stack of books it has Prada, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, but yeah, I just thought that one was really, really pretty, and at the top it has number 5 Chanel, so like a perfume bottle, and it's gorgeous. It like has a little shine to it as well, so I absolutely love that one. bed is looking like. In all fairness, I probably should have ironed the new bedding because it's all kind of wrinkly and crumpled up, as you've probably seen from the videos. I'm finding it really hard to film because, as you can probably hear, there's music and partying going on outside because it's a bank holiday today, it's VE Day. People probably shouldn't be having parties because we're still in lockdown, but nevertheless, it's very loud, so I'm gonna get copyrighted for this. Not that I can get monetized anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But anyways, the bedding doesn't exactly go with my cushions because they're based on like the pastel pink that my IKEA one was. But I mean, it's not too bad, and I'm definitely not giving up these cushions because I absolutely love them. But the bedding itself looks really nice and proper luxury crushed velvet. Really nice colour. It's kind of like a champagne, sort of just neutral tones if you like to keep it neutral. It's quite thin, it's not like really thick like some of my other ones, and it looks nice anyway, and probably really comfy. It's a really soft kind of silky-ish material. So I bought these hangers yesterday because we definitely needed some more. Like, the amount of clothes I've got is just absolutely unbelievable. So I got some more velvet hangers, just a pack of 10, only £2.50, so can't complain about that at all. I was looking on Amazon and stuff, and it was like a tenner for a pack of like 20, and it's just like, that's ridiculous. So I picked some of these up while I was out food shopping. I did ideally want black because I've already got some black ones, but they didn't have any black, so I got some pink ones, and then I suppose I could just mix and match with the black ones. I really want to just keep it all the velvet because they're so good to stop your clothes from slipping off, because there's nothing worse than clothes falling off the hangers. Like, that is just a complete pet hate. It's like grinding against a chalkboard. That's what that feels like to me. So the next thing for me to do is sort out my hangers. This is going to be so boring, but yet so satisfying. The wardrobe's still not here, but the paint did come, so I can touch up the rest of my room, but I'm definitely not going to film that because that would be absolutely disastrous. So doing this is actually going to kill us because I'm going to have to take everything off the hangers and sort through it. I really don't want to do it, and I know it's going to make so much more clutter, but the results will be worth it. So a lot has changed in the past 4 or 5 days actually. So the new wardrobes came, which I am currently filming in right now, and I finally finished painting my room. Oh my god, it took so long. It took about 3 full days just to painting the walls white. I don't understand how it took so long, but it's finally done, so I'm so relieved. So the wardrobe's here, my room's been painted and moved around, so I'm finally ready to properly organise everything. I've just ordered some new makeup storage to put on my desk, so I'll be going through my makeup soon and sorting all that out. But before I do that, I really need to organise my clothes. So as you saw, I was going to organise them while they were still on the hanging rail, but since then I decided just to pack them really quickly into this wardrobe so I could just get all of the clothes put away properly. So I've quickly just hide them in. So we're going to have like a big reorganization of all of my clothes, make sure they're neat and tidy into the wardrobe, and get as much as I can in there because I'm really struggling for space even though I have a huge wardrobe now. So we're going to sort that out, sort out my makeup, and yeah.
Excuse my language, that's a hang up from custody of the feeling. I'm sorry, I feel no attraction and now that it's pitiful. Cause I've been so long, so long. Oh, oh, oh. Hey. Cause I've been so long, so long. Oh, oh, oh. Hey. Cause I've been so long, so long. Excuse my language, that's a hang up from custody of the feeling. I'm sorry, I feel no attraction and now that it's.
Okay guys, just look at this. That is what I need to fit in the wardrobe. I really need to stop buying clothes.
Someone that couldn't give a fuck about me.
So I've ordered a makeup storage system thing for my desk, and I ordered it last night and it already came, so I'm super happy with that, even though it's Prime. But like, some stuff on Amazon Prime don't come the day after, so I'm hoping this is what I think. Okay, so they've sent one of the NYX lipsticks that I've ordered. I ordered two, and they've sent, it looks like, just one. So the other one must be on a different day, which makes no sense because they're both ordered at the same time from the same place. But who knows, Amazon is strange sometimes. So yep, it's here. It's a 360 rotating storage box. So basically it's a one that swivels round. I wanted something on my desk that would be really practical and good just to store all my makeup, so it's out there in front of us, because I hate going through makeup bags looking for stuff. I'm kind of scared because like I really don't have a clue how to put this on, but it's basically supposed to look like that, so let's hope it looks like the picture. I hope. Oh, there's instructions. It's alright, there's instructions. We're not going to have any disasters. That was actually really easy to build, a lot easier than I thought. It actually looks so much better than it looked initially as well when I pulled it out the box. At first it looked so small and not like the picture at all, but now that I've put it up, I am super impressed with it. It turns really nicely and it's got like these little ridges on the side to stop anything from falling out. So I'm going to be organising all my makeup onto that. I'll leave a link down below just in case you are interested, because I am super impressed with it and I can't wait for you to see the finished look with all of my makeup in it.
Just let me know so I won't just let me know zero interest. You won't find a better than this. I swear, girl, if you leave, just let me know so I won't you. If you leave, just let me know zero interest. You won't find a better than this. I swear, girl, if you leave, just let me know so I won't you. Just let me know zero interest. You won't find a better than this. I swear, girl, if you leave, just let me know so I won't you. If you leave, just let me know zero interest. You won't find a better than this. I swear, girl.
So I'm finally organised and I couldn't be happier. Like I said before, I am really impressed with this. It has so much space, like much more than you could ever imagine. I thought there was no way I could fit most of my makeup on there, and I have, so I don't know how I've managed that, but I have, and turns out I don't have anywhere near as much makeup as I thought I did, because I've just chucked a lot out that I don't use anymore. One of my favourite things about this is one of the compartments has gaps in it where you can put your longer bottles of makeup, like mascara. I've got all my lash stuff here, I've got my concealers here, just different things like that, and it keeps them in place, so I really like that feature. And yeah, I've just tried to organise it as best I can. I've even managed to put some skincare stuff on there, so like micellar water. I've got some hair stuff on there as well. I've got my coconut oil and this thing that I use when my hair is naturally curly just to tame it a little bit. I've then separated my brushes into base and eyes, and I think I've got plenty of brushes now. I've also ordered a stand for my makeup palettes, which I will also link down below, so that will sort out this palette issue, and I'll just pop that next to the 360, and hopefully the palettes will look nice and stored in the corner. So next week I've got some new drawers coming from IKEA, so I can't wait to put those up. Then I can organise everything else in my room because it is still a little bit all over the place. I've also got my prints to put up above my desk and some other little finishing touches to do to my beauty room. So stay tuned for a part 2 where I'll be redecorating and basically just reorganising everything else in my room. I love doing videos like this because it really helps me get my life together as well. Like, it's stuff that I really need to do anyway. So I really hope you've enjoyed and just maybe been a little bit inspired, if anything, to get yourself sorted. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if you enjoyed this video to be updated every single time I upload. And yeah, I'll see you all again next time.